Oh, hello everyone. So in the last presentation, we covered how to import all of your content, all of your training materials imported. Now what we want to do is look at customizing company functions. Now, if you see here, this is the out-of-the-box material that we provide. We've covered as many common business scenarios as we can that we know are in every business, aka we provide it to you out of the box so you don't have to. Now, what we can see here is that the audio experience is very precise. It's already telling the user step by step what they need to do in general. So compliance, the law, ISO, it's been followed. But what we want to do is make it more precise with the help that we provide to them along the way. So let's come out of there. And let's go to admin. Okay, so here, the first thing you can see here, these are what we call office workspace or warehouse workspace maps. So the idea is that you select the one that looks as close as possible to your real world work environment. In this case, we're going to select one that someone, going through a stock procedure. Again, these are one of our out-of-the-box procedures can go through. So it's as close as possible to our maps. I'm going to set that as a default one. So that appears as default there as well. So you can see here those codes. So when they listen to the voice, those codes now refer to those real world locations that the user can see. Obviously, this wouldn't be relevant to GDPR, for example, just opening this. But if we go to say, let's go to stock, a stock example. So if we go into the company SOP, so these are the out of the box procedures that we give to you. So stock levels checking again. So the staff members in the warehouse, the audio is working great, but we're going to give them more precision. How do we do that? Oh, okay, so we've got the warehouse for production map there. They can view as they're listening in real time. The locations are mapped precisely relative to your real working environment. So we've just made that even more precise for the user as they go along. So everything was already very precise, but it's making even more sense now in terms of telling them where to go to that location, go to that workspace. We've prepared this language in advance, so it works really well and it's very flexible. You can choose almost any workplace layout that you like that suits your business. Now let's look at these software choices here. What does this mean? So the company CRM. Okay, let's delete that one there. We don't use HubSpot. So we use vCeter as the CRM of choice in the company. So what we can do, we can select that and categorize this as our company CRM. So vCeter is the company CRM. So what does that do? We can say Microsoft 365 is the cloud office provider A as well. Now, they might sound strange, these kind of cryptic names, but this is the language that the automated voice speaks in for the user. Again, a user without these customizations already added will understand what they mean. It will be getting 80% of the work done. They'll be completing these tasks very precisely with these automated audio experiences. But this just adds even more precision. So we go into this example here of handling payment deposits. So I click on there. So instead of having to guess what the CRM is, when they hear company CRM, they see, oh, that means vCeter, the software CRM. That's what that means.
What if you could customize your training, add your team members to an engaging branded portal, and then set it to automatic, saving you hours of training time, reducing your risk of non-compliance to ISO, GDPR, and other standards, enabling you to onboard new team members at a touch of a button, and creating an engaging experience around your training material. With Canalis IO, now you can. Start for free and open an account today. What if you could customize your training, add your team members to an engaging branded portal, and then set it to automatic, saving you hours of training time, reducing your risk of non-compliance to ISO, GDPR, and other standards, enabling you to onboard new team members at a touch of a button, and creating an engaging experience around your training material. With Canalis.io, now you can. Start for free and open an account today.